請啊，繼續來看半導體晶片設計公司超微的執行長蘇姿豐來到台灣，佮帶來一份的大禮物。伊宣布講，要佇台灣投資美金100億。
內部險起步艙行出飛機小到季準風，超微執行長蘇姿豐來台灣，雖然今年無參加 Computex， 不過伊嘛宣布送出100億美金。
For AMD, our strategy is to lead in high performance and AI computing. And to do that, we must have a very strong supply chain, and we must have very strong partners. So we've been working very closely with all of our partners here in Taiwan.
會拍手投資台灣，看定義的就是這一塊土地有完整優秀的供應鏈。前一天才打到台廠的生理盤見面，蘇姿豐閣講到愈濟投資的細節。
We are doing with a number of our partners is to really co-invest such that the capacity is available for ramp later in 2026, but also into 27, 28, and 29. Because the lead time on some of these investments is quite long. They have to secure land and buildings and manufacturing capacity.
技術產品的合作包括經營先進封裝、基本和機櫃級的系統等等。講到上密集的生理盤，蘇姿豐到台灣這天就和台積電董事長桂鐵嘉見面，看出兩間企業的關係真密。
TSMC has been a tremendous partner for AMD, and I would say is a key reason that we have been so successful. So we're happy to announce that our newest CPU chip, Venice, has started its production ramp here in 2 nanometers. So it's very exciting for that.
看在蘇姿豐眼眼內，這當中就是上好的投資時機點，看中台灣未來 AI 的發展會愈做愈大鵬。
Hello， 我是林仙怡，想要搶先掌握最及時的新聞資訊嗎？趕快訂閱、按讚、開啟小鈴鐺，鎖定華視新聞 YouTube 頻道。